The sad reality is, as you say, it's easily possible. Someone would argue and say that's relative. The possibility of actually getting treated and actually affording the treatment is actually relative. One would argue and say the cost is really too high. For example, just some tests alone, someone would even cough about $1,000 just for the test. And now let's talk about being diagnosed with the disease, and now you start going through chemotherapy, radiotherapy, and all that. I'm asking this because you come from a country where when we have people ill, they're always flown to India.
That's correct.
How different is India doing it?
So we are making it available to the masses in India, where the most expensive treatment in cancer, which people find expensive all over the world, is far, far cheaper in India because we've made the drugs locally. We've prepared the chemotherapy agents locally. So if you know patients who are coming from Kenya to us, they actually carry the entire set of medication back home because it's much cheaper in India, because we make it, we don't import it. So Kenya is a growing nation, economically growing nation, one of the strongest nations in the African continent. I am sure you can emulate the same model that India has done over the last 3 decades. And we have grown very slowly and steadily but surely. And I think it's not really difficult for Kenya to do that in partnership with India. We can easily partner with you and do the same thing that we have done there for you out here, and then you can become self-sufficient in the treatment.
Right.
If diagnostics are here today, therapeutics will also be here.